Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
I will explain how to use YouTube Premium while you travel or relocate. Know that you must follow YouTube Terms of Service when accessing Premium from another country. Changing your account country affects billing, local taxes, and available features. Some countries offer a 30-day trial and different monthly prices that can vary by up to 50%. Using these steps preserves your subscription access while staying compliant. Always verify local laws and service rules before you change settings or payment methods. First, choose a reputable VPN provider with servers in your target country. Verify the VPN supports reliable speeds for HD streaming and mobile use to avoid buffering. Install the VPN app on each device you use, including phone, tablet, and laptop. Clear location cookies and sign out of YouTube before you connect with the VPN to force a regional check. Connect to a server in the country where you want premium access, and then sign back into your YouTube account. To complete subscription changes, use a local payment method or a virtual card with a matching billing address in the target country. If available, join or create a family plan that covers you and up to 5 family members on one account. Update your Google account country under Payments profile to match the billing address for smoother processing. If billing fails, check your account country, reconnect the VPN to the same server, and clear app cache or restart the device. Keep receipts and monitor charges for
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.